Hello Internet, this video is part of the Jeep Project playlist on Scott's Garage, where my 90-year-old father and I have been doing a complete frame-off restoration of our 1946 Willys CJ2A. In this video, I'll be installing this brand new metal gas tank sold at Kaiser Willys Auto Supply. You can get this exact same tank for 10% off by using my discount code SGarage upon checkout. Now, in addition to the gas tank, I bought some other items related to the gas tank installation, including this felt kit from Kaiser Willys Auto Supply. Now, the felts came pre-cut. I looked online, the correct placement of them, and I'm simply using clear silicone to attach them to the gas tank. The clear silicone worked really well. Now you'll need some other things besides the gas tank. You'll need the sensor, which you can also buy at kaiserwillys.com. And I also, as you know, purchased the felt kit, which you saw me attach here. I like how it looks, and it should also quiet the gas tank so it's not rattling in the tub. Now here are a few other things. So I also purchased a strap kit. So this is a very nice looking metal strap that also has canvas on the inside. That's the side that goes towards the tank. And then the outside is this olive drab metal. And I've already somewhat preformed it, took it out of the bag. And it also comes with a shorter strap that also looks very nice, olive drab. However, I found in my case that the original strap, which is a little bit shorter, is the one that I'll be using. And in addition, I purchased another metal strap, and I'll show you exactly where this goes. It goes on the rear side of the tank. And I was just missing the one originally from this Jeep. And so I bought this new one also from Kaiser Willys Auto Supply. I also purchased from Kaiser Willys Auto Supply this new rubber grommet for the neck of the gas tank. And I put a little bit of grease around the neck here because it's pretty live rubber, and with the grease it should slide more easily through that. Now let's get this thing installed. Okay, I'm going to put the front strap in. So again, it's the olive drab, and the canvas side goes towards the gas tank. And it has a hook on here, and you can't see it from here, but there's the bottom part of the hook that is welded onto the tub. And I'm simply going to put that in place, and you have to put some pressure on it, otherwise it won't attach. So I'm just going to hold it down with my thumb here. Hopefully this will work. And then I have a bolt and a nut here that I'm going to put in place and tighten up. Okay, front strap is in place, nice and tight. Okay, I had to scrounge for a bolt long enough, and I found this. It's an old bolt, and it's a square head, 1/2 inch, but it is just barely long enough to hit the nut on the bottom side. Okay, that's plenty tight. And that's not going anywhere. Okay, voila, there it is. I really like it that it's a metal tank. I like how firmly the straps are holding it down. I like that it's got the grommet around the neck, and also that the gas cap actually fits. Before this, we had a plastic gas tank, and it never was quite right. I could never find a cap that would fit correctly, and it just wasn't quite engineered correctly. So I'm very satisfied. If you got any value from this video, please give me a like. It costs you nothing, but it's a great value to me. And we'll see you in the next video.